In this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 assets that the rich have. Assets you can use today to change your life. My name is Emeka, and if you are new here, welcome. For the past 20 years, I've been on a mission to help people thrive. As a banker, I have helped countless individuals grow their wealth and navigate financial stress with confidence. As a workplace psychologist, I've empowered people to unlock their potential and helped organizations build thriving cultures that drive change. And now I'm bringing all this knowledge to you to equip you with the tools, mindsets, and strategies you need to accelerate your growth and thrive in your career and business. Assets are anything of value or resources that can be owned, controlled, or used to generate income, build wealth, or provide future benefits. They can be tangible or intangible, and in this video I will dwell more on the intangible assets that the wealthy possess that make them always win, no matter what. Let's do this. The first asset of the wealthy or the rich is the mindset asset. Your mindset is a cognitive framework that shapes how you perceive, interpret, and respond to information and experiences. The wealthy have one thing in common: they believe they can succeed no matter what. The rich set big, bold goals and embrace change along the way. And you know what? If you want to get rich, you must start believing in yourself and begin to think bigger. The second asset that the rich have is the knowledge asset. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the further you can go. The wealthy never stop learning. They read books, attend seminars, and learn from the best. So if you want to level up, invest in learning every day. Knowledge is the rocket fuel for your success. The next is your network asset. Your net worth is your network. The people you surround yourself with can open doors you can never imagine. Build relationship, help others. When you build network, you are building opportunities. Remember, if you are the smartest person in the room, you are in the wrong room. And the fourth asset of the rich is what I call the health asset. Health is the foundation for everything. Without it, even your biggest dreams are at risk. Rich people treat their bodies like their most valuable asset, like eating well, sleeping enough, and exercising regularly. When you treat your health like number one priority in your life, it gives you the opportunity to leverage every other thing you want in your life. And so pay attention to your health, just like the wealthy, and your future self will thank you. And the fifth asset of the rich is adaptability asset. Adaptability is the ability to pivot, change, or keep moving forward no matter what. Life throws curveballs, but the rich adjust and thrive. When things go wrong, ask yourself, what is the next thing for me to do? Flexibility and resilience are your secret weapon in an ever-changing world. And the sixth asset of the wealthy is emotional intelligence. It is the key of being able to manage your emotions and understand that of others, giving yourself and relationship an edge over others. Rich people master this, building relationship and making choices that propel them forward. So, take the time today to develop emotional intelligence. You will love it. Your life will become better. And the seventh asset of the rich is time asset. Your time is the most powerful tool you can have or you have. The rich understand that time is more valuable than money. Why? Because you can earn more money, but you can never get your time back. So use your time wisely. The rich focus on high-impact tasks that bring long-term returns. So when you spend time building things that last, you are investing in your future wealth. Take note of that today. And the eighth asset of the rich is resilience asset. Adversity happens to all of us, but only the strong survive. Resilience is about bouncing back from setback. Life isn't always smooth sailing, but the rich know how to recover quickly. So when things don't go as planned, stay focused on your goal. Believe in yourself, no matter how tough it gets. Keep going. And the ninth asset of the rich is creativity asset. Creativity is not just for artists. It's about thinking outside the box, solving problems, and adding value to yourself and people around you. The wealthy use creativity to spot opportunities and disrupt industry. If you want to be rich, your creativity must come under test. Your creativity must come under use. Start with a side hustle, build a new product, find ways to deliver value, and the money will follow. And the last and the 10th asset of the wealthy is spiritual asset. Spiritual well-being is crucial. It's the foundation that keeps you grounded. Whether it's through meditation, prayer, or reflection, the rich know that staying centered helps them make better decisions and stay focused on their goals. A strong spiritual base helps you handle challenges, connects you with others, and helps you stay aligned. And now you have it, the 10 assets that the rich have been using for years. Now you too can. Start using these assets today and watch your life grow. It starts with one decision. To begin, once you do that, building on top of what you've started becomes easier. If you like this video, my friends, hit the like button and subscribe for more life-changing content. And always remember to make change happen for you. Take care. God bless you.